Hey, are you bored because of the cough going around?
Yeah, well, pretty much, honestly. There's been nothing to do recently since we've been stuck in our sheds. I know. There's basically nothing to do. We're all stuck in sheds. The fury, the matter. You're freaking ruining the sledge. Sledge? You need perfect grammar lessons, Gordon. Oh, shut up, you. Hey, Thomas, I want to say spit some bars. Oh, okay. I'm Percy the Green Engine. No one is doing a thinking, a booping, a nope. We're not doing that. Well, guys, this is gonna be fun for the few weeks.
Oh no, he has the cough. Everyone run!
What? I don't have the cough. What do you...
James, you owe me $5.
What? Why?
Because I said so.